Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to replace the hood actuator on the Porsche 911. So this is a common issue for the 996. So I had to pull the emergency release to pop the hood. And today we're going to replace this little guy. So the first thing you want to do is remove this trim piece. There are 4 tabs holding onto it, and once you remove it, it is more clear to show you what's under it. You can see that I have the headlights removed. This is not required. I was doing something else with the headlights. So this is how the hood actuator looks like. You can see that there's a connector, and this is how it's positioned. You can see that I'm kind of lining up how it's positioned inside the car, like so. So to get more access, I'm kind of pulling out the carpet a little bit more. And now you can see there are 2 10mm bolts holding on to it. So you want to remove this bottom piece so that whole carpet can kind of move around. Once you remove that whole hard piece in the bottom, this whole carpet will kind of just get loose, and you can get access to where the hood actuator actually connects to. So first we're going to take out the 2 10mm bolts that's holding the hood latch assembly. So we now have those 2 bolts removed. Now you can kind of take out this metal piece that's holding everything together, and we're going to put that away. So now you can see the hood actuator and the whole hood latch assembly. So I'm just trying to check everything is okay, and then I'm just pulling this part straight out of this bracket, and you can see that it just come out easy, and you can kind of just fish this whole wire piece out. So here, this is the rest of the hood actuator. I kind of pulled it out before I take out everything. You can see that there are 2 rubber bands holding on a piece of foam. The foam is actually glued to the actuator. I think that's just to reduce the vibration. This is from the factory, and once you remove the foam piece, you can see the connector, the electrical connector behind it. So just be careful removing this piece of foam. I'm planning to reuse this and carefully remove the plug once you're done. So now we have the connector removed. There's nothing else holding on to the actuator. The only thing left is there's a rubber grommet that's holding onto the car body. You can try to use your finger to push it through. It's kind of rough. I'm going to use a small pliers. Anything that's sharp but not going to damage the paint would be ideal. So just try to work your way around it and you'll get it out. So you can see I have the old part out and I'm going to reuse this sticky foam for the new one. So I'm putting where it was and kind of re-put everything back together at the same spot. So reassembling is pretty much just the reverse of taking it apart.